Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of My Hood Garden. And I know it's been a while, but oh well, I need these videos to be authentic and have something to talk about. So I'm only going to bring it to you when it's necessary. But today we're going to plant some store-bought celery that I've regrown for a couple of weeks. I started by taking my bucket and filling it up with some leaves and brush that I already had in my garden. And I built my soil using manure, potting soil. What else I put in there? I had some compost that I had been gathering over time, which consists of eggs and coffee grounds. I also use, I can't think of that white stuff name. When I find it, it'll be listed on this video. Since we are trying to be self-sufficient and we on a lifetime budget, these potting soil bags, we're going to reuse and recycle them. So I was going to cover this plant over the weekend while I went out of town with this bag, but I decided to just bring it inside, and I let the pot sit on top of the bag because it's waterproof. So I'm going to be reusing these bags, and I'm going to figure out something to do with them other than to, use as a barrier for the water. So after I mixed up my soil, I took my plant, my celery. This one here is the oldest one. The first one that you see, it already had roots at the bottom, and it had been regrowing the longest. The second one that I potted, it hasn't been probably like maybe a couple of weeks, maybe like a week or two. I think I'm not gonna add any more to this this bucket I got from a nice Dollar Tree over there in the Lancaster area, because all stores ain't created equally is what I want to say. But the point is, I was excited. I'm ready to get outside to do gardening, but I understand it's not that time yet. However, this little area right here, I'm going to be clearing out, putting down some gardening fabric, and I'm going to build a nice potted area and, just make it look presentable. I topped it off with some fertilizer. I probably should have mixed the fertilizer in. I mean, we here to learn. We're going to grow. We're going to get it popping and keep it moving and learn from our mistakes is what I want to say. Y'all continue to follow me on all my social media. Y'all play sweet and have a great week.